Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all fine. Today I am going to explain mathematics for class 7th exponents and powers. Textbook solved problems. So let's go into the channel. Coming to the first exercise. In the first exercise, the first question. Find the value of. Just they asked to find the value of. They given in this first bit is 2 power 6. So just you need to write 2 6 times and you need to do multiplication. If you do multiplication, you will get an answer of 64. Second bit 9 cube. So the power is 3, right? So you need to write 9 3 times. So 9 and 9 into 9 into 9 is 729. 11 square. Third bit is 11 square. So the power is 2. That's why you need to write power 11 as 2 times. 5 power 4. You need to write 5 as 4 times and you need to do multiplication. Second question. Express the following in exponential form. Just you need to express the following in exponential form. They are given in 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. So the exponential form is 6. How many times we wrote? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 power 4. T into T. T how many times we wrote? T 1 and 2. So T power square. B into B into B into B. So you need to write in every bit in exponential form. So here also in exponential form T power square. In exponential form b power 4. Fourth bit 5 how many times are there? 2 times. And 7 how many times are there? 3 times. So in exponential form 5 square into 7 cube. Fifth bit 2 how many times are there? 2 power square and a is 2 times. So a power square. In exponential form 2 power square into a power square. Sixth a how many times we wrote? A into A 3 times. C 4 times and D 1 time. So A cube into C power 4 into D. Third bit. Express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. So for every following numbers you need to express the exponential notation. So first bit 5 to 12. So you need to find first factor. So how to find a factor? Like this in LCM form you need to find the factors. So and you need to write the how many 2's are there? 2 power 9. Same as second bit 343. Factors of 343. You don't know the factors of 343. Just you need to take the LCM like this and you need to solve the problem. How many 2's are there? How many 3's are there? How many 7's are there? Like that. Third bit and fourth bit. Fourth question. Identify the greater number whenever possible in each of the following. Just they asked to identify the greater number. So here in this first bit they given 4 power 3 or 3 power 4. So expansion you need to do for 4 power 3. So 4 how many times? 3 times. And 4 into 4 into 4. 64. Do the multiplication, you will get an answer of 64. And expansion of 3 power 4. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 81. So 64 is less than 81. So 4 power 3 is less than 3 power 4. But what they asked in the question, identify the greater number. So the greater number is 3 power 4. Second bit, 5 power 3 or 3 power 5. So first you need to do expansion form and you need to find which is greater. So the expansion of 5 power 3. 5 how many times? 3 times. So 5 into 5 into 5. You need to do multiplication. You will get an answer of 125. The expansion of 3 power 5. 3 how many times we need to write? 5 times. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So if you do the multiplication of 3s, you will get an answer of. So 125 is less than 243. So 5 power 3 is less than 3 power 5. So 3 power 5 is greater number in this question. Third bit. 2 power 8 or 8 power 2. The expansion of 2 power 8 is, so just you need to write 2 8 times and you need to do multiplication, and expansion of 8 power 2 is, so 8 you need to write 2 times and you need to do multiplication. But here 256 is greater than 64. So 2 power 8 is greater than 8 power 2. So in this greater number is 2 power 8. fourth bit. See, here fourth bit is 100 square or 2 power 100. So the expansion of 100 square, 100 you need to write 100 into 100. You will get an answer. Expansion of 200, 2 power 100. So first you need to do 2 power 10. 2 how many times you will write? 10 times. You will get an answer of 1024 and 2 power 100. 1024 you need to do multiplication. So 100 square is greater than 2 power 100, less than 2 power 100. So in this sum the greater number is 2 power 100. Fifth bit. Once check it. If you have any doubt, ask me in comment section. Fifth question. Express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factor. So just they asked following the product. So 648. Factors of 648. Just you know the how to find the factors. You need to take the LCM. 648 LCM you will take. You will get 2 3s. 2 how many times? 3 times, and 3 how many times? 4 times. So 2 power cube into 3 power 4. 4 not second bit 405. Factors of 405. You know how to find the factors of 405. Like you need to take the LCM like this. I will say. See, 405. Like this you need to take. You need to write. See, 5 8s are 40. 5 1s are 5. 3 2s are 6. Say 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are. 3 3s are. 3 1s are. So 3 how many times? 4 times. 1 2 3 4. And 5 1 time. So like if you need to find the factors like this we need to do. So 3 power 4 into 5. 540. How to 540? Factors of 540 are 2 how many times? 2 times, 3 3 times, and 5. So 2 power 2 into 3 power cube into 5. Fourth question. Simplify. Just sixth question is just simplify. How to do? They given question like 2 into 10 to the power of 3. So 2 into 10, how many times you need to multiply? 3 times. So 10 into 10 into 10. 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000. So 2 into 1000 is 2000. 7 square into 2 square. 7 square means 7 and 2 times, and 2 times you need to multiply. 7 7s are 49, 2 2s are 4. 49 into 4, 196. Third bit, 2 cube into 5. 2 3 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. 3 into 4 power 4. 3 you need to write as it is. 4 you need to write 4 times. If you do this multiplication, you will get an answer of 768. 0 into 10 square. If you multiply anything with 0, the answer will be 0 itself. Sixth bit, 5 square into 3 cube. So 5 2 times you need to multiply, and 3 3 times. If you do the multiplication, you will get an answer of 675. 2 power 4 into 3 square. 2 4 times and 3 2 times. 3 2 times and 10 4 times. 3 3s are 9. 10 4s are. So if you multiply these things, you will get an answer of 9000. Seventh, this is also simplify. So minus 4 whole power cube. So minus 4 you need to write 3 times. So after writing 3 times, if you do multiplication, 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. So answer will be 64. So once go through it, if the power is in odd integer, the sign will be negative. If the power is even, the sign will be positive. So, or else you do like this. In 2 negative integers, the answer will be the sign will be negative. If one is a positive integer and another is negative integer, the answer will be negative. But the simplest way is, friends, just if the power is odd, the answer will be negative. If the power is even, the answer will be positive. So second bit, minus 3 into minus 2 whole cube. So minus 3 into 2. How many times you will write? 3 times. So here also, here the power is negative. So the answer will become here negative. But See, minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, minus 8. But minus 3 into minus 8, minus into minus plus, so 24. You will get answer of 24. See, here minus 3 whole square into minus 5 whole square. Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. You will get the answer of plus. In this problem, another trick is there. So just if you have only one number like this, and if you have odd power as odd, you will get the answer of odd. But if you have two numbers like this, if the power is odd also, we will get a even. For single number only I am saying, it is simplest form means for single number. For single number, if the power is odd, the answer will be negative. If the power is even, the answer will be a positive. See for this, if two numbers are there, two odd numbers are there, but for multiplication, minus into minus, plus minus, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So, like that for both if you will do, you will get a positive itself. Second question, eighth question. Compare the following numbers. Just you need to compare the following numbers. By observing the question, comparing the exponents of base 10. So, 10 power 12 is 10 power 8. So, 10 power 12 is greater than 10 power 8. Just you need to compare. In this, 10 power 14 is greater than, 10 power 14 is less than 10 power 17. Coming to the second exercise, using the laws of exponent, simplify and write the answers in exponential form. So just you need to use the laws of exponents. This first question is 3 power 2, 3 power 4 and 3 power 8. So these are the bases and these are the powers. See friends, these are the bases and these are the powers. If you know the exponents and powers formulas, it is easy exercise. So it is in the form of a power m into a power n. So it is in the multiplication form. That's why a power m plus n. So bases are equal, power should be added. So 3 power 2 plus 4 plus 8. 3 power 14. Second bit, 6 power 15 division 6 power 10. So bases are equal, power should be subtract because here it is their multiplication. So if multiplication is there, bases are equal, power will be added. But here the bases are equal, but it is in the division form. That's why it should be subtracted. See, a power m divided by a power n. So is equals to a power m minus n. So bases are equal. 6 power 15 minus 10. So 6 power 5. Same as third bit, multiplication form, bases are equal. Bases are equal, power should be added. So a power 3 plus 2, a power 5. Same as fourth bit is also same as third bit. So coming to the fifth question, 5 square whole cube divided by 5 cube. So it is in the form of a power m whole power n. So a power mn. So 2 3s are 6. So 5 power 6 division of 5 cube. It is in the form of division form. So bases are equal, power should be subtract. So 5 power 6 minus 3, 5 cube. Sixth bit. First you need to do bracket problem. So it is in the form of a power m division a power n. So a power m minus n. So 2 power 20 minus 15, 2 power 5. So you get the bracket formula. So 2 power 5 into 2 power cube. Here the bases are equal, power should be added because it is in the multiplication form. So 2 power 5 plus 3 is equals to 2 power 8. Then bit. This exercise is simple and easy, and this chapter is only simple if you know the formulas of exponents and powers. That's all. Second bit, simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. So the first bit, what they given, 2 power cube into 3 power 4 into 4 and 3 into 32. The factors of 4 are 2 into 2, 2 square. Factors of 32, just you know how to find the factors in LCM form. So 2 power 5. So Just you write 2 cube into 3 power 4 into 2 square by 3 into 2 power 5. Here 2 power cube is there, here 2 power square is there. Bases are equal and they are in multiplication form, so power should be added. So 2 into 2 power 3 plus 2 into 3 power 4. So 2 power 5 by 2 power 5, 3 power 4 by 3. So it is in the form division form. So we will get an answer of 2 power 5 minus 5 into 3 power 4 minus 1. So 2 power 0 plus 3 power 3. Another formula is there. Anything power 0 is 1. Anything power 0 is 1. So 2 power 0 is 1. Second bit. See, first you need to do brackets. You know BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule means bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. See, I will write BODMAS. So in every question, first you need to do brackets and division, after that multiplication, after that addition, after that subtraction. First you need to do bracket. So see, first you need to do inside of the bracket. In this, first you need to do this one. It is in the form of a power m whole power n. So a power mn. So 5 power 6. So 2 3s are 6, right? 5 power 6 into 5 power 4 division of 5 power 7. So you need to bracket form. So it is in the form of a bases are equal, power should be added. So 5 power 10 division of 5 power 7. Bases are equal, power should be subtract because it is in the form of division. So 5 power 10 minus 7, 5 cube. 24 power 4. We know 25 is 5 square. So 5 square whole power 4. It is in the form of a power m whole power m. So a power mn. So 5 power 8. 5 power 8 division of 5 cube. Bases are equal, power should be subtract. 5 power 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 power 5. Third bit. Say true or false and justify your answer. Just they asked to say true or false. So in this first bit, 10 into 10 power 11 is equal to 100 power 11 or not. But see, 10 first LHS side, 10 into 10 power 11. It is in the form of a power m into a power n. A power m plus n. Bases are equal. If there is a no power, you need to take as 1. If there is a no power, you need to take as 1. So 10 power 1 plus 11 is 10 power 2, 12. So the RHS side is 100 power 11. So how to write 100? 10 into 10, 10 square. So 10 power square, 10 square in whole power 11. It is in the form of a power m whole power n, a power mn. So 10 to the power of 22. LHS is not equals to RHS. The given statement is false. Second bit is same. Third bit. Just you need to prove LHS is equals to RHS or not. If LHS is equals to RHS, the statement is true. If LHS is not equal to RHS, the statement is false. See, this is true. Anything power 0 is 1. Anything power 0 is 1. So LHS is equals to RHS. True. Fourth question. Express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in exponential form. So first they given 108 into 92. First you need to find the factors. You know guys how to find the factors. And you need to do factors. You need to write it. This and this is same and this is same. So 2 power 2 plus 6 into 3 power 3 plus 1. 2 power 8 into 3 power 4. Factors of 270. 2 how many times? 1 time. 3 how many times? 3 times. And 5 is 1 time. So 2 into 3 power cube into 5. See, third bit. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. You need to do for this BODMAS rule. Just in bracket and then solve it. Coming to the exercise 13.3, they asked to write the following numbers in the expanded form. So first bit, first question they given, just check it from right side, like ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs. So first you need to write 2 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 9 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 0 into 10 and plus 4 into 1. So just in the place of 1 lakh you need to write in powers: 10 power 5, 10 power 4, 10 power 3, 10 power 2, 10 power 1, 10 power 0. Remaining bit is also same. Second question, find the number from each of the following expanded form. So in first question they given the number and you need to write in expanded form, but in second bit they given in the expanded form, but you need to find the number. So 8 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 6 into 10 cube plus 0 into 10 square plus 4 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power of 0. So 8,000 plus 80,000 plus 6,000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 5. So 86045. How to write? 86045. B bit and C bit is also same. Once check it. Third question, express the numbers in standard form. Just you need to express in standard form. So they given like this. Just the standard form of the given number, 5 into 10 to the power of 7. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just count zeros and you need to write 5 into 10 to the power of 7. Or else like this you count ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So they given the second bit as 70 lakhs. But guys, you need to write the theory part, the standard form of the given number. Don't do like this as I did. You won't get marks if you write like this. Just you need to write the theory part. So how many zeros are there? 6 zeros are there. So 6 zeros. Third bit is also same. See, if you want the points, right? It is in the form of points. So ones, tens, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3.1865 into 10 to the power of 9. Fourth question, express the number appearing in the following statement in standard form. This exercise main exercise 1.3 is based on the standard forms. Just you need to write in 10 to the power of form. That's all. See once. And here also you need to write the theory part, like the standard form of the given number is this one. Once go through it. This exercise is simple, friends. The formulas are also very easy to read it. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. If you are new to this video, please subscribe it and hit on the bell icon. Bye everyone.